Welcome back. So in this video we're looking at another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is called Blood Moon. So this is part of their curriculum for the Introduction to Programming. Okay, so we have two rectangles that we're going to make, at least from my look at this. So we have this one down here, and then we have this one up here, and we're going to use gradients. That's what gives this effect. So initially I looked at it like, oh, this could be an ellipse, but it is actually just a rectangle that we're going to draw here. So it says, hint, the gradients use both RGB and named colors. And if we go over here, we can actually see that you have orange, red, but then we also use an RGB value, 60, 20, 20, and then we also use another color called black, just black. Same thing down here. We have another gradient that's got RGB, 150, 50, 0, and then another RGB. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our rectangles first. So this is the first one, so 0, 0. And then it's going to stretch across the entire screen, so that's 400 in width. And then the height goes from 0 down to 300, so 300 is the height. So we'll remember that down here for this rectangle, the height will be 100. And then we're going to fill this, and it's going to be a gradient. And so the first one was orange-red. And then what we need to do to use the RGB colors, let me put my cursor, okay. So it is RGB 60, 20, and 20. And then make sure you put a parentheses around those, and then we'll do another comma, and then this will be black. Let's run that just to see how that looks. There we go, perfect. Okay, so now we have another rectangle, and that starts at 0, 300. And the width is going to be 400 again, but then the height is going to be 100 because the other one's 300, and you can't go more than 400. I mean, you can, but for this, it's just the height of the entire work area here is 400. And then we'll fill. And then that is, oops. Oh, let me go to solution here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so RGB 150, 50, and 0. And then another RGB, which is 20, 20, and 100. Okay. Again, just make sure that you put your parentheses around these, just like we did up here. Oops. Must have had a spelling error here. Oh, spelled rectangle wrong. There we go. And that happens. Sometimes you make mistakes. A lot of times they'll give you a hint for this. So it says name error. So it's name rect is not defined. Did you mean rectangle? Okay, so that was my error, and there you go. So that's the solution to Blood Moon. All right, hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.